On today's video, we talk about 1 in 5 homes are being bought up by investors. What's going on? I'm Alex, your top real estate agent. If this is your first time to my channel, every single day I drop a video about real estate. On today's video, we're going to talk about how real estate investors are buying up 1 in 5 properties in LA and Orange County, and that's why people are saying that investors are the reason why no one can buy a house. I agree and disagree with those statements. So last quarter, Redfin dropped an article that said 1 in 5 homes in Riverside, Anaheim, and LA were bought up by investors. And why are investors buying properties right now? 1, they can fix and flip. 2, they can do a whole long-time rental. And 3, obviously you can start doing short-term rentals like Airbnb. The issue with the fix and flip is first-time home buyers are never going to be able to buy those properties. A new law that might be coming out that one of the congressmen are trying to pass in California would be charging investors 25% higher tax if they buy and flip a house. The only issue with that is that most of those homes are having to be bought cash because a bank won't finance them, or the buyers don't even have the money to fix all the items because you're not being able to do a loan on that. You're actually having to pay all up front. Flippers are actually really good for the market because they take bad homes that can't be financed by most buyers, they fix them up, and yes, they do make a profit, but now they're bringing the home up to the value of where it should be at. So definitely investors are buying up the properties for short terms and long-term rental. That does affect first-time home buyers because most time the people are buying all cash. But at the end of the day, it still comes down to price. When we work with our sellers, when offers come in, even all cash offers still have to be close to the highest price. Most sellers don't take a big discount even for cash because most loans, to be honest, are doing no appraisal. No appraisal is as good as cash in our opinion. The only difference is like all cash offer can close very quickly when a loan obviously takes roughly 21 days. But most sellers want that time because they need to pack up, figure out everything they're doing, and move out. They don't want to be rushing. So definitely investors are taking few of the houses off the market, but it's not as a big impact as everyone's trying to make it out to be. I think California needs to focus on more how to bring investors into the market, especially developers, because the more developers build, the more houses will go on the market, which then lowers prices. We just have a lack of supply. So we have low inventory already. Instead of trying to figure out how to stop 1 to every 5 homes going to an investor, let's figure out how to get more houses on the market, because more supply will obviously help out the demand and lower prices. Because think about it, out of 1 of the 5 homes, if it's a fix and flip, that one house would never go on the market. Those homes would never be sold, and the only reason they're being sold right now, sellers want to cash out right now. So if you have a crappy house right now, it's worth way more than it should be, and an investor has to come in, flip it, so it could be perfect for someone that's a first-time home buyer that can actually get a loan on that property. So do I think this is a massive reason why home pricing is going out of crazy? No, I don't. It's a supply issue. We need to figure out how to get more supply in the market. And then secondly, just so you guys know, anyone who's buying houses right now, if California enforces these things and stops letting investors buy all these things up like they are doing right now, when you go sell, because sooner or later you will go sell, that'll be less people demanding for your property, which then is going to cost you more money. So I know right now that's all you care about is right now because you can't get into a house, but don't forget, everything you want now when you're a buyer is going to also hurt you when you're a seller. Hopefully this video helps. Comment below, share, hit that thumbs up because that really helps my videos out, and until next time, peace.